First thing to understand is that what kind of players can participate in the IPL auction. There are two types of players which are allowed to participate in this auction. First is the Indian player and the second is the non-Indian players. The Indian players are divided into two categories, the capped Indian players and the uncapped Indian players. The main difference between capped and uncapped Indian players is that the capped Indian players have represented India's seniors team in any format, either T20, ODI or Test. But the uncapped players from India are the ones who have not yet participated in the international arena but have been playing in the Indian first class circuit. There is another category of non-Indian players or the foreign or overseas players. These foreign players can be capped players, that is they have represented any country, or they can be uncapped players who have not yet represented any country, or there could be players from the associate cricket nation as well. Now there is some eligibility criteria imposed on some domestic retired cricketers. Such cricketers can register for auction only after they have received an approval from the Board of Control for Cricket in India (BCCI). Under 19 cricketers in India must be registered with a state cricket association. They must have played in at least one match in either the first class cricket or list A cricket, and for the IPL 2021 auction, the under 19 cricketer should have been born after 1st April 2002.